Hi everyone and welcome to my course, Build Your First Data Visualization with AnyChart. My name is Ervis Trupja, and in this course we are going to talk about AnyChart as an easy to use and super fast JavaScript charting library that will provide any data visualization you need. Some of the major topics that we will cover include setting up AnyChart in web application, generating line and pie charts, and also AnyChart visualization formatting. By the end of this course, you will know enough to take advantage of this powerful JavaScript library and use it in your personal and commercial applications. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about building charts using AnyChart library with the Build Your First Data Visualization with AnyChart course here at Pluralsight.